Hi Ben, I'm looking at your Photoshop file and I'm on this layer and um, I would I'm going to scroll down here. This is where I selected a portion of it and I used the gradient tool to kind of smooth it out. So I'm going to go up here. Let me zoom out first. Oops, can't do that. I am going to try smoothing out this area right here. So I would use the pen tool to create a smooth path um, in the area that I want to define, and then use that path to make a selection. But you could also maybe use the quick selection tool. That might work as well. But just to be quick about it, I'm going to use the polygon lasso tool. And I've got my cap locks on so that I have a crosshair instead of the tool itself. I'm going to have to try to remember where I started and kind of see it. So it's not a very good selection, but you'll get an idea. So I'm going to try to choose a wide selection. I'm not going to worry about this area over here right now. I just want to do this one. And I'm going to come down into the black a little bit and try to find my beginning point. I'm having a hard time. Oh, there it is. Okay. It's not the prettiest, but I could go back and refine that selection. So now I'm going to go with this area selected and highlighted and active. I'm going to go over here and I want to make sure that I have selected this option here. It's foreground to transparent. So it's your foreground color, which right now is black, to transparent pixels. So I can go in here and kind of stretch this nice and long. And so I can see that that's not very smooth yet, but I can go back, keep going back in there and just doing that. And that should give you a nicer gradient. So I'm going to deselect that. So you can see how that works. Do you think that will work for you? So I think it's really dependent on making a nice selection in the first place and then making sure that your foreground color is black and then you know, just kind of working within that selected area using the gradient tool. All right, I hope that works. Let me know if you have any more questions or if that's not what's going to solve your issue.